The Hifonics Colossus PRO amplifier line delivers a listening experience with enriched power and performance. Colossus sound has been reinvented through loud levels of pristine playback, innovated with triple protection circuits that manage over-under voltage, short circuit, and thermal protection. Your audio system and vehicle will be protected under every circumstance. The thermal management system is innovated with variable speed fan cooling, combined with a mass-loaded aluminum heatsink, resulting in better heat management and output performance. Hear minimal interference with other vehicle electronic systems with ultra-low EMI design, and accept a wider range of input signals with high-end preamplifier circuits. Stylized badging gives the Hifonics logo an illuminated showcase with blue LEDs. The Colossus PRO line of amplifiers signifies the legendary return of Colossus with high output Pro audio performance.